Hey, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is AmberMaria, and today I'll be reviewing a new product. Let's go. So before we get started, be sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell button so you can get notified every time I post. You know you're gonna like this video. I mean, look at the vibe. Look at the vibe. You're gonna like it. Alright, so I got contacted by a company by the name of BUSTIES. I believe Busty Babes. And it is a breast tape company. And just to give you my stats, I stand 5'10". I am a 36 double D. So very hard to find a tape that would even remotely lift something. Not only lift it, but keep it stayed all day. So very excited on what's in the package. So, it's a cute little box. So this is Busties breast tape kit, all right? This is what it looks like. Okay, the back. And they give you tape instructions. We're definitely gonna check that out. I would love to hear more about their story because this is like the breast cancer awareness, the breast cancer awareness symbol. So I would love to hear more about their story. This is cute. It says, your tatas called, they needed a lift. Get it? So it comes with boob tape, all right? The only thing I wish that this tape was my skin complexion. This is like the common nude, but I want like my nude, but that's okay. That's okay. It's fine. All right, it comes with an instruction type of pack of how to use, all right? How to apply, I'm sorry. And it has pictures. I like pictures. I don't like reading big words. Ooh, these are a lot of pictures, all right? So we'll check that out. And it gives you like little instructions on how to different methods of how you can kind of tape your tatas, as they call it. So I'm gonna go in the other room, go try this bad boy on, and we're gonna see if it, lifts my tatas like they need to. I'll be back. All right, guys, so I tried to cover as much as possible just to show you, but this boob has the boob tape and this one doesn't. You can just see this one, this boob stops right here, and this one is pointing down to the floor. All right, so I'm going to show just a little bit of what's going on here. So there are 3 straps. Well, not straps. Well, yeah, 3 straps of the tape. I guess I'm explaining that correctly. So, yeah. All right, so 1, 2, 3 straps, and I have 1 coming across here. So ladies, whenever you're putting this on, you're gonna start from the bottom here and just move the tape up and put it over your shoulder like that, okay? You're gonna do 1, 2, 3 until it's lifted, all right? The reason why I put 2 coming across horizontally is because I want it to be centered. I mean, we can lift it all day, but I like mine lifted and centered, all right? So that's why it looks like that. Yeah, I like it a lot, actually. Even though it's I like it, I feel like I wish it was a little wider so I won't have to use so much product. This looks like a 2-inch. If they made maybe a 3-inch, I think that would work better as well. And also, I wish that it was my skin color. I wish that they were more exclusive. No, yeah, I wish they were more inclusive, I'm sorry, when it comes to skin complexions. Not saying that they're not, but the package that I got, it wasn't, but that's okay. I'm so grateful. So I'm gonna go put on the other side so we can see, how they're both lifted, but you can even just tell right here. Let me try to, hold up. Move my hair out the way. All right, you can just tell. This one lifted, centered, cute. This one is girl, I'm tired, it's time for bed. We're pointing down to the floor. But yeah, I'm gonna go put the other one on. But yeah, I like it. I'll be right back. Y'all, boob job, look at them. They are sitting high and mighty. They are sitting high and mighty, they are up here. Look at it, look at it. Now this is, God, YouTube, please don't take my video down. I'm not trying to do nothing like that. But this is what it looks like. They're up, and I like that. They are secure, they're not going anywhere. I like it, I like it. I don't have any complaints. The only thing that I will say, one, they do give you a warning to test it out on your skin before you just put it on there. I didn't do that, but that's okay. And 2, whenever you like put this on, this isn't like reusable. So like once it hits your skin and you take it off, you can't like stick it back. I tried that, it kept falling. I was like, oh, it doesn't work like that. But I like it. I'm gonna put this shirt on the way it's supposed to be, so. Oh, I'm here for it. I'm here for it. And like, I've never had a bra do this. Like, it is like lifted, right? And it's centered and gives you that little bit, that slight bit of cleavage, but not too much showing. It's just a little to, you know, like, huh, I wonder what's going on there. Like, it's so small, so subtle that you can't even see it. I haven't had a bra to do that. It's either too much cleavage or like flat chest. So, I don't know. I like it. I'm here for it. If you're interested, please click the link in my bio so you can get your very own roll of BUSTIES tape. I hope I said that correctly. Thank you again, BUSTIES, for sponsoring this video, sending me this. I will say one more thing. If you are top heavy like me, like I said, see if they have like a 3-inch one, because you'll use most of the product. I used most of the product to make this video, but that's okay. Now that I know that it works, I'm more comfortable with buying boob tape specifically for BUSTIES. But yeah, that's it. I hope this video helps somebody like understand how boob tape works. And don't forget to check out the link in my bio. Thank you so much for watching, and again, thank you, BUSTIES. You guys have an amazing day. God bless you. Peace.